This has to be 5 inches an hour. There's the intersection. I think that car is stuck over there, so we can go.
Yeah, that car's stuck. I was waiting for them to pass.
Look at this, Lindsay. Do we even know where we're going?
That's why on the way here.
There's Tim Hortons. You can see it at all. You can't even see it. Look at that sign. It's like 20 feet away.
There's people aren't there. There's places to sit.
I don't know if there's anyone working there.
Yeah, but you can sit there. Yeah,
Car dealership.
hours.
Absolutely zero visibility. No real. And he disappears. That is awesome. This has to be the heaviest snow we've seen so far. Look at this. And our car dealership, if you can see it. Jeez. Craziest storm I've ever been in. West Terrace sign. Another car dealership over there. See my hand? Barely. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Complete whiteout. Complete utter whiteout. Say hi. Yeah. That guy's so stuck, there's no way I can push him out. Wind's picking up. Woo. 40 mile an hour gust. Look at this whiteout. Look at this whiteout. Absolutely. Look at those cars.